Okay, in this question, question number 2, again I'm going to look at an example that's very like the one in the exercise, and you can have a go at the one in the exercise. So we'll look at this. If you look at this particular question, I'm going to shift the dx over to the right hand side and integrate with respect to x. So I'm going to have integral with respect to x over here, and then I'm going to integrate with respect to y over here. So I want all terms involving y on the left hand side and all terms involving x on the right hand side. Well, looking at the question, you can see we've got this 5x here. So all we need to do is to get rid of that 5x on the right hand side. So if I divide both sides by 5x, I get this. dy by dx equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 5 all over 5x. Now I'm going to want to integrate this right hand side. So algebraically, this is probably not the best way to write this expression on the right hand side here. Because I want to integrate it, I could really do with each of these terms separately being divided by the 5x, and then simplify that and integrate what I'm left with. So the best way to write the right hand side is 2x squared over 5x minus 4x over 5x plus 5 over 5x. And now I'm going to simplify it. Using the laws of indices, by dividing x squared by x, cancel out effectively one of the x's. So I'm left with just x there, cancelling out the x's here, and I'm left with 1 over x at the end. So I'm left with 2x minus 4 over 5 plus 1 over x to integrate. So now I'm in a position where I can integrate both sides, integrate the left hand side with respect to y and the right hand side with respect to x. So y equals integral of 2x minus 4/5 plus 1 over x dx. So again, I use my table of integrals, or I remember what the standard integral is in this particular case. If we look at the table of integrals, the one we're interested in now is the 1 over x term, which becomes log x. So I've got y equals integral 2x, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, x squared, minus 4/5. If I've got a constant and I integrate a constant, the variable reappears. So as I'm integrating with respect to x, the variable is x, so the x reappears, and the integral of 1 over x is log x plus c. So that would be my final answer, which I can't simplify any further. So I'll put another question for you to have a go at here, and I'll write the solution at the make the solution available. So if you wanted to pause this and have a go at it, you can. And then there's also a question in the textbook to have a go at. So if I pause this video here, you can make a note of this question, have a go at it, and the solution will be at the end. Okay, so the solution to this extra problem I put is here at the bottom. I hope that's what you got. And now try the one in the textbook. If you're stuck on this particular one, email me and I'll help you with the solution.